Imagine a fuel so powerful that a single ton could rival millions of tons of coal. A metal so abundant it could power the planet for thousands of years. And yet, almost no one has tapped into it. Recently, headlines exploded. China has discovered over 1 million tons of thorium. The so-called nuclear fuel of the future. But is this really a world-changing breakthrough, or just another overhyped energy story? Stay tuned, because the truth might surprise you. So where does the 1 million tons of thorium claim come from? According to reports in the South China Morning Post, a declassified geological survey suggests that mining waste in Inner Mongolia's Bayan Obo region may contain thorium equivalent to nearly 1 million tons. That sounds massive. But here's the catch. Chinese government have not confirmed that news. It's more like an estimate, buried in old data that just became public. And while that number went viral on social media, the World Nuclear Association still lists China's thorium resources at around 100,000 tons, a fraction of the claim. But let's step back. Why does thorium spark such excitement in the first place? For starters, thorium is about 3 to 4 times more abundant in Earth's crust than uranium. It's scattered across sands, rocks, and ores all over the world. Unlike uranium, it doesn't need heavy enrichment to be useful in reactors. And here's the kicker. Thorium can be used in molten-salt reactors, advanced nuclear designs that run at low pressure, can't easily melt down, and even have built-in safety valves like freeze plugs that drain the core if things overheat. In theory, they produce less long-lived waste and avoid the meltdown risk that haunts uranium reactors. Now here's where the myths need busting. You've probably seen claims that 1 ton of thorium equals millions of tons of coal. Technically, the math checks out if you calculate energy density on paper, but in reality, it's not that simple. Why? Because thorium needs to be bred into uranium-233 first, and no country has yet mastered running this cycle at commercial scale. The engineering challenges, from handling corrosive salts to controlling radioactive byproducts, are enormous. So yes, thorium is powerful, but right now it's more of a promise on the horizon than a plug-and-play miracle fuel. But here's the real story. China isn't just talking about thorium. They're actually building reactors to test it. In Wuwei, Gansu province, China's TMSR-LF-1 molten-salt thorium reactor went online for experiments in 2021. And in 2024, researchers achieved something big.
Initiating Phase 2 calibration.
They managed to refuel the reactor online without shutting it down. That's a major milestone in nuclear science, and it shows China is serious about exploring thorium's potential. And if these tests succeed, China could leap ahead of the world in next-gen nuclear, while the US and Europe mostly watch from the sidelines. So, Let's recap. China hasn't officially discovered new thorium reserves. The million-ton figure is based on survey estimates. Thorium is real, abundant, and scientifically fascinating. And yes, China is leading in molten-salt reactor experiments. But the real question is, will thorium become the fuel of the future, or will it remain the energy world's forever next big thing? What do you think? Will thorium change everything, or is it all just hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the energy of the future, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.